If you want to learn English, then you have to listen must. Without listening, you cannot improve your English. Those who are speaking English, those who are fluent speaker, they are listening every single day. If you want to learn English, then you have to listening must. When you and practicing is most important for you. When you practice English at this moment, you will see there are a number of people behind you. They are laughing, look at you. So it doesn't matter what the people will say, what the people are doing. The matter is you have to keep in mind what you are doing. The matter is what you are doing. Now I am practicing English, I am making video. This is the matter. Why I am practicing English, why I am in front of the camera. I am in front of the camera because of I want to improve myself. I want to upgrade my English. That's why I am making video. Otherwise there is no benefit for me. That's why I am making video every single day. I try to, when I get time, I try to spend my time with English. This is the actual fact. Now I am in the road. Right now I am on the road, and as you can see, this is the actual condition, and the rain is going, and little bit rain. I can't show you maybe properly. Despite of raining, I am trying to making video. So this is my one kind of vision and mission to improve myself. I want to be a fluent speaker. I want to be a good speaker in English. That's why I am making video. So I have to leave the place because the rain has come. देखें actual condition देखें. This is the condition and where I used to make video, because this is my loving place. That's why I come here easily, and actually my phone is waiting, and despite of waiting, although I am trying to make video, so I have to leave the place. If I waiting, so it can be fever, and it can be cause of sickness. So people are, those who are listening me, those who are watching me, I have to give you the message. I highly recommend it to you. Please try to make video every single day. Please try to practice and try to spend your time with English. Then one day you will be speaking English. One day you will be great speaker. I believe that, and pray for me so that I can improve myself, so that I can improve my English, and one day so that I can be a good speaker. Bye bye.